Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I want to share with you the new collection by pinkgellac. I did receive these items for free, but I'm not sponsored in any other way to make this video. I just really love this brand. It is my favorite gel polish brand, and I really just want to share with you the new summer collection. I really feel this is a stunning collection, in my honest opinion. These are colors I would love to wear, and I would also love to apply on some of my clients and friends and family and all that jazz. So there are 7 new colors in total, and the collection is called Tropical Island. So it is the Tropical Island collection. It is for the summer of 2018. There are 7 new shades. There are a ton of creamy ones, and there are some shimmery ones as well, and also some neons. So I'm just really curious about them, and I am going to swatch them all as usual on some of my practice nails. I have already prepped these on forehand, so I have filed them, and I have roughened up the nail area, or like the surface of the nail, so my gel polishes actually have something to adhere to. Then I'm also going to apply a base layer to all of these nails, and off camera I am also going to apply a shiny top coat after I have applied 2 coats of each of the shades. So here you see me applying the base coat to the last nail and just curing that for 15 seconds. It's really quick and easy, and it's just the best way to make sure your manicure stays perfect for a very long time. So first up, it is a neon orange. This is 244 and it is named Hawaii Orange. It is such a beautiful shade. It was so bright my camera wasn't even able to pick up this shade, so I have to just hold my hand like next to it a little bit to make sure you can actually see what the shade is like. It is like a beautiful neon corally orange tone, and I just really love it. It is super opaque. On my own natural nails I would even suggest just to use 1 coat, but for this video I actually just applied 2 coats to all of the practice nails and just cured that in between for a full minute. But here is how that first coat looks. It is so bright my camera can't even handle it, but it is gorgeous. You know me, I am from the Netherlands, so I have like a thing for orange tones. I don't know what it is. It's like, I don't know, I'm just way too Dutch for this. But this is how the second layer looks, and I'm just applying the top coat right here and capping off the edge as well. You really want to make sure you do that for your natural nails too, to make sure that your manicure lasts for a very long time. And as usual, I'm just applying with a DVD-like pen the name to my practice nail as well as the number, so I know which color is which. That's really handy if you work with clients as well. They can just pick out one of your practice nails and you have the right polish and color right away. So the second one is 245 and that one is called Cocktail Pink. This collection contains a ton of pinks and a ton of like purpley shades, and this pink is just gorgeous. It is like a Barbie neon pink. I love it so much. And this one is just as creamy and just as opaque as the Hawaii Orange one. So it is super creamy and super opaque with just 1 layer. But as I said, I am always applying 2 layers to my own natural nails as well as the practice nails, just to show you what the color is like. And again, it was way too bright for my camera to even pick it up perfectly, but this is what this tone looks like. So it is just a creamy one, super opaque. There isn't any shimmer or glitter or anything. It is just a gorgeous one. Then a shimmery one, or like a glittery one, and this one is 246 and it is called Mermaid Pink, and this is just such a beauty. It is insane. It reminds me a little bit of like a previous color they came out with, but this is a lot more bright and vibrant. It has like a peachy pink corally kind of undertone. It is a little bit sheer, so I would suggest just using it in like 2 or 3 thin layers on the natural nail to make it completely opaque, or just use it on top of one of the other colors from this collection. But it is a beautiful pinky peachy kind of like base with gold and peachy shimmer slash glitter in it. It isn't super chunky glitter, but it isn't as fine as a regular shimmer, so I don't know, it is just a beautiful shade, and you guys know me, I love my glitter. Then the next one is 247, which is called Sorbet Pink. This one is a little bit more dark compared to the cocktail pink, and it really is a gorgeous color. It is really in between of like that pink and purple. It's kind of like a fuchsia tone, I would say. And I just really love it. Again, this is super opaque and super pigmented. You only need one decent coat on your own natural nails or two thin coats. I really think you could just go with one coat on your natural nails for this color because it is a little bit more dark, but it's just a beauty. It is gorgeous for any time of the year, and I will definitely be wearing this for summer and fall as well. Then the next one is again a shimmery kind of shade, but this is really a special one in my opinion. It is 248 Midnight Purple, and as the name already suggests, it is a purple shade. But in my opinion, it is like a dark gray to almost like gunmetal kind of base color, and it has a ton of multi-chrome colored shimmer and glitter in it. Again, it is more of like the finely milled glitter in my opinion, and a little bit more shimmer. It does need two decent coats to be fully opaque, or you could just easily apply it on top of a black or a purple or anything like that. It has a really stunning multi-chrome, like gold to purple to pink kind of. It reminds me of like a chameleon. That's the only word I can come up with. But it is a beautiful shade. It might be not for everyone, but personally I love that color. Then the next one is 249, which is Hot Plum. This one is again a little bit in between of the pink and the purple, but a little bit more towards the purple in my opinion. Again, it is a super creamy one, super pigmented, and really easy to apply and opaque in just one good layer. Again, I'm applying 2 layers because that's just the way I roll. And also always make sure to cap off the edges to give your polish like a beautiful end result and to make sure it lasts a long time. But this tone is just gorgeous. It is a little bit more to the purpley side, but that's no problem to me, at least. I think it's really gorgeous in fall as well. Then the last one from this collection is 250 Orchid Purple. Most of you know that orchids are my favorite flowers, and purple is one of my favorite shades as well, next to pink, so this collection is just screaming my name. This Orchid Purple is a neon, like medium tone purple. I love shades like this. And mostly purples are kind of difficult to get fully opaque, but it wasn't a problem at all with this gel polish. It was just one coat and it was wham bam, thank you ma'am, in your face. It's like, whoa, this one is super opaque, no problems getting it like beautifully pigmented or opaque whatsoever. And of course I applied 2 layers and a layer of top coat to cap off this entire design or like this color, but it is such a beautiful shade. I can't get over how pretty this is. I really like it in fall, but in summer as well, because it is kind of like a neon purple. But these are all of the colors together. You can see that there are a few creamy and neon kind of shades. I really feel like the shimmery ones are really beautiful as well, but it really has to be your thing. If you're more like a creamy kind of girl, just go with the creams. You could also just get the entire collection. I really suggest getting the entire collection because it are some beautiful shades. Again, this collection is called the Tropical Island Collection. There are 7 colors in total, and I really do think that if you're more towards like the girly girl kind of type of woman or guy, if you're really into pinks and you're a guy, that's really cool as well. But if you're really into tones like this, I would highly suggest just checking out a couple of the colors. Again, there are like 5 creamy shades which are really opaque, and the shimmery ones are just gorgeous by itself, but also on top of another color. But I really want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a next video.